I'll be covering the lecture in the following heads. Firstly, I'll be telling you about what is building information modeling, the principles of it, and the uses of building information modeling. Further, I'll be telling you about the software used in this system. Then, why still we in India do not use building information modeling, and then the benefits of it, and finally the drawbacks and the problems faced when building information modeling is not used. Firstly, coming on to what is building information modeling, it is a process of generating and sorting of all the information about the building in the form of architectural data, the structural data, right from the conceptual stage to the operation stage of the building through the design stage. Then the building information modeling is integrated in a workflow that enables architects, the engineers and the builders to explore a project digitally before the building is built. Building information is a digital representation of the complete physical and functional characteristics of the building assets. In this, it contains the information about the design, the construction, the logistics, the operations and the maintenance of the building. It also includes the budget and the schedule, right from the design, build and operating stages of the building. The building information modeling is being used by architects, the civil engineers, the structural engineers, the mechanical and electrical engineers, the fabricators, etc. The fundamental principles that brought out concept of building information modeling into existence is interoperability of the different engineers. The interoperability is the ability of making the system and the organization work together, and the dynamic exchanges of information, the different applications and the platform services of the entire building. The use of this modeling system is 360-degree use, that is from the collaboration. It detects the clash detections and coordination, and in the conceptual design and feasibility evaluation, and in the field management. And in the stimulation stage, it is the mechanical stimulation, airflow, fluids and thermal comfort of the building, energy analysis and the structural analysis part of it. And it also in the visualization stage, it renders visual renderization of the different aspects of the building. Here we can see that the coordinated model of a design clashes, where we can see different aspects like the plumbing is clashing with the electrical part of it, and which can be adjusted at the conceptual stage, so that further when the building is under construction, that point of time we don't face these problems. And in this stage we can see the render view of the building before the building is even constructed, with all the stakeholders can see their respective visualization in the rendering stage. These softwares which are being used in the architectural stage are the Rivet, the Bentley's Microsoft softwares. Then in the design analysis software we have the STAD, ETABS and Tekla structures, Oracle, different structures that are being used through the building information modeling. Now we come to the reasons this building information modeling, why it is not being used in India. It is still in the early stages in India, and not lot of research have been taken place in this, and where the user can boast about the cost saving of the building by using the BIM. And implementation is again because of the majority of BIM users in India have not seen a full cycle of the BIM implementation, and very few experts are present in the industry. Then organization remarks spectacle about implementation of this system and its perceived benefits. Next, the benefits of this system are as follows, that is the minimizing the project management. Then it fosters communication and coordination between all the stakeholders present in the process of complete from the conceptual stage to the execution stage. Then it also identifies errors before it has happened, so that we can take corrective measures, and then reduces rework. It reduces rework in the sense that the errors that are seen before the execution can be rectified before it happens, and which reduces cost. and it also improves the quality of the building. Then we also have certain drawbacks which are being faced when the system is not used. Flow of data is not present, then improper schedule of work, there is no proper scheduling of work that is being executed, then cost estimates is tedious and not accurate, then digitization of data is very less, and it is very less, so that it cannot be shared between all the users. Then clash detection becomes very difficult to notice in case we are not using these management system, this information system, and the reinforcement details and junctions cannot be rendered without using this information system. Then energy analysis we cannot do, complexities of software used in BIMs, and cost of the software is very high. Then lack of knowledge in India, that as I earlier brought, that there are very few experts that are present there, and the courses that are there available for this management systems are not available in India at present, and the computer systems running these softwares needs high specifications. With this, I would like to conclude that this information modeling can be very beneficial if it is integrated into our projects, and which can give a quality product, and we can have cost saving also. Thank you.